Nowadays, this secret niche is getting a lot of trend in the market. Literally, the niche I'm going to tell you about is a money shop, and making it is just as simple. If you had watched this video 3 years ago, it would have been very difficult to make a video. But now, some tools have come into the market and some techniques have arrived, because of which you can literally make 2 to 3 videos in one day. But there's one condition: you have to watch this tutorial completely, only then you'll understand it. And the niche is our documentary. Fern. And if I talk about the stats of channels like these, in the last 28 days, they have millions of views, and every channel has earned at least $12,000 to $15,000 per month. I'm telling you this based on the last 28 days data. So how to make this video, how to make its thumbnail, how to write its script, how to make the visual. Literally, I'm going to teach you everything. Let's move towards our video. So guys, we have come to our screen, and all the tools that are going to be used in this are mentioned there. We will use ChatGPT, Claude AI, CapCut, 11 Labs, Google Whisk, and Google VO3. And here you can also use ChatGLM. This is a Chinese tool. By using all these tools, we will make one of our videos. Now we start making the video. First of all, we need a topic. By the way, I have written topics from many categories here. You can simply tell ChatGPT to copy these topics and generate your own title. But I will also practically show you how to generate a title. Now you have come to ChatGPT. Now we will give ChatGPT different topics of our competitor and tell it that these are my competitor's topic. Give me similar ones. So first, we open ChatGPT, and here in a new tab, you will open your competitor's channel. I'm opening Fern. You can open anyone. So here I have copied all the titles of my competitor. Okay, let me tell you something interesting. The method I'm telling you, you can use it for any niche, and it works for every niche. Okay, so here I have taken around more than 20 video topics, and I will paste them in ChatGPT, and there I will give it a small prompt. So the prompt will be, these are my competitors' titles. Analyze them properly and give me 20 topics that will perform better than my competitors. So now ChatGPT will give us 20 such titles on which we can make our video. In this world of AI, you can get more than 1,000 topic ideas every day. You just need to be someone who makes videos. So after doing 30 seconds of research, it has given me all 20 topics, and below it has also mentioned what things will be used in them. And it has also given a small background of each. It has given us around 20 titles. So I selected this topic, Dubai property and dirty money, how real estate launders billions. I like this topic more. Now I'll simply say, this is my topic, make a proper title out of it. So here you can see it has given me 7 titles that are eye-catching. And with these titles, you will get a good CTR. And this is my title, The Dark Side of Dubai Skyline, Property, Power, and Dirty Cash. In my opinion, this is such a powerful title you've got. So like this, your one title is decided. Now let's move toward our script. Now to generate the script, it's not necessary that you write a new prompt or create some unprofessional prompt by yourself. There's no need for that. I've already made a professional prompt for you. You just have to do one thing. Put your title in it and your complete script will be generated. Let me show you. I've given the full prompt here. You just have to come to this document, copy from here to here, come to ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and give your title, and your full script will be generated. But let me tell you one thing. You can generate the script from ChatGPT or from Claude. But if you take my recommendation, you should try Claude once, because Claude gives a slightly better script than ChatGPT. Now let's do one thing. We'll generate this script from Claude, because Claude gives you a slightly better script than ChatGPT. Open Claude, paste your full prompt here. Here's your prompt, here's your title, and just click. After doing a little research, it will now generate your complete script. And yes, remember one thing. Don't just copy it and go to 11 Labs to start generating the voice. It's not like that. You have to read it properly, because the more you read and go through it once, the more you'll understand your niche. You can't just watch the video and follow the steps. It won't work like that. You need to consume your content a bit. Read the script a little so you can get an idea. Yeah, these are the things working in this niche. Coming back to the script, if you feel like you want to make your script longer, you can change the prompt here. If the prompt says 2,000 words or 3,000 words, you can set it to 1,800 or 2,400 words. The more words you give, the longer your script will be. If you want a shorter script, just reduce its general length. So it has generated our complete script. Next step is our voiceover. So to generate the voiceover, we'll simply go to 11 Labs. Here, you have to come to the text-to-speech option and then put your script here. And remember, the longer your script is, the more parts it should be divided into. So I'll make 3 to 4 parts of this script. Let me give you a small first part. If you give the whole script all at once, and if any error occurs in the middle, your credits can get wasted. That's why you should do it part by part. Here, I've taken this part completely. I could have taken more, but I took a smaller part just to explain it to you. And then I put it here. Now I'll select my voice. But before generating the voiceover, go and check Fern's channel. Look at your competitor and analyze their voice tone and style carefully. In my opinion, Fern has a slightly controversial type of voice, so Brian will sound better here. All right, you can select any voice from the full library available here. I've selected Brian, and here you can set the speed, stability, etc. Then click on generate. Now your full voiceover has been generated. Let's listen to it a little.
The tallest building in the world casts a shadow longer than you think. Behind the gold-plated supercars and infinity pools, billions of dollars flow through Dubai's luxury towers. Money that investigators say shouldn't exist at all. What happens when the world's most glamorous skyline becomes a laundry line for dirty cash?
I hope you're understanding this whole video, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel because such courses are made with a lot of effort. Let's move to our next step. So guys, our next step is to generate 3D images. It's very simple and I'll get you started for free. What do you need to do first? Open ChatGPT, go to Explore, and here you have to select a 3D version. Here you have to go to Document again, and here I have written Documentary Style 3D Image Generator. Copy it, and here you just put whatever is there and press enter. This 3D version has to be selected. See, I have selected it here. Now your 3D image will be generated here. Now go to your document and I've provided a prompt. Copy this prompt completely. Don't do anything yourself. I've done everything for you. All you have to do is follow me. And here you go to ChatGPT, enter its prompt here, and look below what's written. Paste the full script here. We copy the entire script we created from Cloud and then paste it. Now I will give you another small prompt. Give me full script prompt sentence-wise. So what will it do now? The script will generate prompts for each scene, such as scene 1 prompt, scene 2 prompt, and so on. Simply put, it will generate a prompt. An image will be generated. But if you feel that your video is long, say 30 minutes or 40 minutes, then you have to take more images according to your scripts. Simply, I'll write it here. Give me at least 35 scenes prompt. So guys, now I have made a small change in my prompt. So after that, it started giving me all these prompts. Surely it will give me as many as I say. So now we have all these prompts. Simple. What do you want to do? Now we have to move on to our whiskey. So guys, we're at the top of our whisk. Simply paste your first prompt here. The image you generated. We'll go back here, and this was our first prompt. Copied it and went here and pasted it. And here we checked out our aspect ratio. Make sure it's landscape and just enter your prompt here. You just have to press enter and we'll generate the entire image for you for free. Guys, see how nice this 3D scene has been generated from here. Look, this is exactly the same fern. He has generated it for free. You have to watch the video till the end. This is your image generated. Similarly, we will generate 4 more sample scenes from 3 so that you can understand it properly. We will go back to ChatGPT and copy this prompt. Now we simply copied it, went here and posted this second prompt here. Now after waiting for a while, another image will be generated. In the meantime, we will go back to our GPT. See how good it has looked. We will go to our ChatGPT again. We will copy the third prompt. This is your third one. And here you have given your third prompt. Here I will generate one more image for you. So guys, this one is done. This is a picture. You have generated an excellent picture. I think it is excellent. We will copy one more. Similarly, on the fourth one, you can generate 35, 40. If you feel that 40 pictures are not enough, then you can get 50 generated. You give the prompt, and obviously these photos of yours will play throughout the video. Your stock footage will play alongside the photos. Some other AI visuals can play as well. You should have a little bit of your content space as well. Now, what do we do here? We'll copy this one and just go back and write another prompt here. From here, another image will be generated. Simply, I've used this image as a sample. When you sit down to make a video, you'll do 30 to 40 of them. Best of all, has our script generated our image? So guys, enough of our images have been generated for you to understand. What I will do is the option on the right from here, I will download the one I like. It will come down a bit. I like this image. I will download it. Okay. I like this image. I will download it. You will download all the pictures that you want to generate. Now, if we want to create images and videos, we will use VO3 for that. Okay. And that too is as simple as this. You have to go to the new chat and write flow. When you write flow, then here your flow from Google Labs will open. Okay. You come to flow and here you have to click on create with flow. You will do it on create with flow. You just have to create a new project here. And here you have the option of text to video. What do you have to do here? Frame to video, because we have to generate image to video. If you had to convert text to video, then you could have converted text to video also. Now here we will convert frame to video. We'll see the details here. Yes, it's a landscape. Now what do you have to do here? First of all, you have to upload the image that you downloaded here. Simply, we'll do it here. Go to the upload option here. Whatever image I downloaded, I'll click and upload it here. So we have selected our first picture. We will crop and save it here. And here it takes some time to upload. We will select it and a small prompt will appear. You can also define that prompt and give it from your side. Here your picture has been selected. I will write it as let's see the fern video. So the fern video also zooms in a little and zooms out. We will do it in the same way. Smooth camera, zoom in and zoom out. You just have to click here and after some time, it will generate the entire video for you. So guys, our second video has also been generated. Let's see how it is. If you notice one thing, it has generated the background and sound effects in such an excellent way. So you have to generate it in this way and your video will be generated. Now let's move on to editing and thumbnailing. Today we'll edit a fern-like perfect video. I've pulled out a few things, including a voiceover and some clips, and I've collected them all in one place. You can also put together your file, including everything you generate, stocks and images in one place, making it easier to edit. Now let's start CapCut. So this is our CapCut on. Now we'll just create the project. Let me tell you a little bit about the simple panel. This will be our main timeline, and this is where we'll import our stuff. And this will be our sequence. Here are all the effects and so on. Here you can do audio, text, stickers, effect, transitions, all these things. I'll explain it to you a little bit. We go to import, and first of all, we will import our voiceover. And then in the voiceover, all these spaces that you see as spaces, there are a lot of spaces in it. So this spoils the rhythm of our video, and the audience is not able to engage. So we will eliminate all these spaces one by one. Well, wherever you feel that there should be spaces here, the thing is ending, then you can give a space of 1 or 2 frames there. We'll listen to the sound here. We'll import things according to the scenario. First, this is our part. So we imported it and pasted it here. You must check out your ratio here. Our ratio will be 16:9. Okay, from here we will hide the sound of our layer of the video. Then the second part is to show our luxury. So we will pick up some of these images from here and download like this. Then we imported this. Okay, we will animate it, apply the zoom and effect here. So we just come here in it, you just click here, and then this panel will open for our basic remove, BG mask, and retouch. So we just have to come to the scale and add a keyframe to the scale. This is called a keyframe. You just have to click here. So you must be looking here carefully. A small point will be added here. You see this? Let me show you more clearly here. Just added a keyframe. You must be looking here. Look at this. This is where my cursor is. And then after 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on your scenario, you can animate to the point where you want to animate. And then here at 100%, from here you can increase it by clicking on the upward arrow. And then from here you can increase the scale. This way you can animate a still image of your scene and add movement to it. It's done. And then we have a third shot, which is fern type. This is the shot. We pick this one. You have to download whatever you want from VO3 as per the scenario. You just have to paste the script. You don't have to do anything else. And in between, you can also use stock. And I am telling you some stock website. Just like Pexels, you can check out lots of videos from FreePic. You just put your line here as per your script. Like I understand it is this line. What happens when you just copy this and then paste it here? The best thing about FreePic is that its search engine is very good. It is not like other stock websites. Here, the search engine is working much better. You can do it this way, maybe here, but it happened when the world was glamour skyline. Till here, we will take half part. Look how well it performed here. You can also do it for free by applying filters here and download whatever you want. You have downloaded the thing according to your scenario. I am just giving you a flow, not like a full video edit. This is just a flow. And then this is the skyline right here. This stock image looked good to me, so I imported it here. If you want to integrate text into any of these visuals, you just click on the text, pick the default text, just import it. And then you set your spacing here. I didn't do anything. I just clicked, and you can adjust it however you want. And then here we write it as tallest building. In this way, we can also animate it. Here there is an option of animate right next to the text. Click on animation here. Whichever animation you like, you can import it from here. You will see that there is no diamond option in it. You must be seeing that in all of these there is diamond, meaning this is pro and this is diamond in Jodo, this is free. So from here we will go according to our scenario from where it said tallest building. So in this way, when you edit according to your scenario, then in this way, now I will tell you about the second panel towards transition. So in transitions, we will just import the clip between our two scenarios. Also remember that you should not use the diamond icon. You can use all the things without diamond if you have a pro. From here, I moved it back a bit. I just animated it here. Now I'll input whatever transition you think is better here, and then we're done with the space. Now we'll add captions to it as well. Captions are your choice. You can add them or not. I will set it according to my size so that it does not appear too big. And then I click from here. And here one thing must apply to all the captions. It must be checked out in this, and this must be mandatory. Here we will keep editing the text according to our requirement. And wherever it has been missing, we will also fill it. Since we are not using the Pro feature, we have to do it manually. I'll explain it again. Copy and paste it. Press Alt and copy it, then paste it here. Depending on its size, drag it from here. Then simply click here and the panel will open. Then paste it here. Our part is ready. Now I click on export and I will just give the name of my project here, Fern Sample. Here you will enter your location, wherever you want to export the video of this. Here I will select 2K and then just leave all these settings as they are. Just click on export. I have not used any Pro features in this, so you keep that in mind. If you have paid, then you can use the Pro feature also. This finishes our editing part. Now we move towards thumbnail. So let us now start with our thumbnail part. Based on your script and your thumbnail, you have to analyze which thumbnail will suit which context as per your title. Now our title is The Dark Side of Dubai Skyline Property Power and Dirty Cash. If seen in a minimalistic and simple way, then we have to show just one Dubai tower and show power with cash. So this is how I will take the main reference of this thumbnail of this video. In this also, from one side, we will show the power to the shooter, and then we will show the building here. So this way, I just picked it up, took a snap, and then I pasted it in ChatGPT. Look, this image is the reference. and this is my title. Now I was prompted for the thumbnail according to the title. Title, I pasted mine. You can see it in your own way, and I have to generate this prompt in it. But I told him that I have to add a 3D character just like this. So according to this, I pasted the first image that had generated here, and again, this prompt was generated in it. Now I will just click on the prompt, copy it, and then there we will come, right? We'll generate it once we're on Veo. It'll take a little time, and our thumbnail is ready. So I hope you understand both of these parts. So that's it. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.